Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So we were on the chapter cost of capital. We have already discussed to find out the cost of capital of various long-term sources, that is cost of equity capital, cost of preference share capital and cost of debt capital. And today we will be solving a question based on weighted average cost of capital. So let's start with the question. A company has the following structure: 40,000 equity share of rupees 8 lakh, 10% preference share rupees 6 lakh, 10% debenture rupees 2 lakh. The equity share of the firm is currently selling at rupees 25. It is expected that the company shall pay a dividend of rupees 2 per share with a growth rate of 5% per annum forever. The tax structure applicable is 30%. Preference share and debentures are traded at par. Compute weighted average cost of capital. So to compute weighted average cost of capital, we have to find out KE, KD and KP. That is cost of equity capital, cost of debt and cost of preference share. So the formula of cost of equity capital is D1 upon P0 plus G. So D1 is the expected dividend, P0 is the current market price per equity share and G is the growth rate. So here D1 is given as it is expected that company shall pay a dividend of rupees 2. So D1 is 2, that is expected dividend. P0 is the current market price of the share, which is rupees 25, and G is the growth rate, which is given as 5% or 0.005. Solving it, 2 divided by 25, we get 0.08 plus 0.05. Add 0.05. Here it is 0.13 or 13%. So cost of equity capital is 13%. Next is cost of debt, that is KD. So the formula is interest minus tax upon net proceed from the issue of debt. Interest is 10% of 2 lakh. That is 20,000. Tax rate is given as 30% and net proceed is 2 lakh. So interest is 20,000, tax is 0.3 and net proceed is 2 lakh. Calculated, 20,000 into 0.7 divided by 2 lakh. It is 0.07. So the cost of debt is 0.07. Now we have to find the cost of preference share. So the formula here used will be preference dividend upon net proceed from the issue of preference share. So here preference dividend is 10% of 6 lakh. That is 60,000. This is interest. So 60,000 interest and net proceed is 6 lakh. So the cost of preference share is 10% or 0.1. So to calculate the weighted average cost of capital, we have to use the following format, in which the first column is of sources of capital. Second is book value. Third will be of weight. Fourth, specific cost or CC, and the last will be of WACC. So the sources of capital are equity share, preference share and debt. Book values are given as 8 lakh, 6 lakh for preference share and 2 lakh for debt. Now to find out W, we have to divide the book value of equity share by the total of book value, which is 16 lakh. So 8 lakh divided by 16 lakh, it is 0.5. Second, for preference share, it will be 6 lakh divided by 16 lakh, 6 lakh divided by 16 lakh, 0.375, and last it is 2 lakh divided by 16 lakh, 0.125. Now to find out CC, we have already found out CC, which is 13% for KE. This is the cost of equity. Cost of preference share was 10% and cost of debt was 7%. Now WACC is the product of W and CC, or specific cost. So to calculate WACC, we have to multiply weight by specific cost. So first is 0.5 into 13. 0.5 into 13. It is 6.5. Next is 0.375 into 10. It is 3.75. And last one is 0.125 into 7. It is 0.875. Now add all these three values and you will get your answer. That is the weighted average cost of capital. 0.875 plus 3.75 plus 6.5. It is 11.125%. So here your question is complete, and so does your chapter. So thank you for watching it.